Okay, here are a few tips for beginners, like real early beginners. So, number one, pinch climbing. What you do is you basically hug it and like to where your arms won't move anymore. And then what you do is this, like really fast. And then you'll go like this. And yeah. Tip number two is when you're running, don't run like, okay, let me go on the ground for this. But when you're running, don't run like this or this. Or what most people do is they bend their arms like this, then they do like back and forth motions, because it makes you go more far and you don't go as high up, so that's better. And tip number three, learn some routes. Like, I have another video showing my favorite route. You could learn that one, or you could just learn some like other ones, or you could even make your own. It's kind of hard, but you'll get the hang of it after you make a few. So yeah, that's really all my tips and tricks. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot. So when you're learning how to wall climb, the way that I learned was do this, and you see how I did left, right, left, then I stopped. Left, right, left, okay? When you can do that, like, easily, start doing it with, like, L's. And then, instead of doing left, right, left, just do it until you fall. And a tip is not to do like that, because then it won't work. Like, or make sure you don't push out. You gotta do, like, more like that. Okay? I'm not the best at wall climbing, but I'm not the worst either, so I just wanted to tell you. Or, like, if you practice with the L's and then you start not to like it, people make up their own ways. People do it like this. I've seen somebody do it like this. I think somebody even does it like this. So, yeah. But the way that I learned how was like this, because it's the easiest way for me. But, yeah, that's really all I have to say. So, hope you have a good day, and bye.